open the door for her 5-year-old as she knew that she had a middle school.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another weird radio. This one was sent to me by Thomas. I want to thank Thomas for sending this radio. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name, but there's the name right there, and it's a model BJL-671. It's on sale right now on Amazon. It's 20% off, normally $19.99. It's on sale for $15.99. It's AM, FM, shortwave, 2 bands of shortwave. Comes with a rechargeable battery that's down in here, and it's removable. So it does have some nice features, but it's got a couple of bad ones too, which I'll show you later. A couple of weird ones. Okay, and it comes with the charging cable. I didn't look to see, it doesn't matter what the capacity of the battery is, doesn't matter. Boy, this is weird. I just noticed this thing is curved right here. It's kind of weird. Telescopic antenna is about 15 inches. Carrying handle. No earphone jack. What? This is so weird. There's where you change the bands. There's the tuning knob. Pretty good sized tuning knob. On-off volume. Charging port right there. Cannot be used to charge like your cell phone. It's only $16. First thing that really struck me is the manual. Number one, the print is really tiny. I'm gonna see if I can hold this. And here, this cracks me up. Friendly reminders. Please read the user's manual before first use of the radio. Well, I didn't do that. Do not use, I think it's benzene thinner or any abrasive powder to clean the radio's shell. Okay, so we don't want to use any minerals or chemicals to clean the thing. I'm sorry. Okay, moving on. Do not place the radio in the water. That's probably a good idea. Or close to a fire. Do not place the radio near strong magnetic. I'm sorry. Anyway, do not drop the radio. And then there's really, the instructions are, I have to use the camera to read this small print. Function operation. Select the desired broadcast band. Adjust the volume. Use the tuning dial to select the preferred station. Extend the telescopic antenna for the optional FM control. I'm sorry, it just cracks me up. Oh, and you haven't seen the half of it. Wait till we get, okay, so there it is, a nice looking radio, you know, it looks fine, functional handle, but, now, let me see if I can hold it here. Let's turn it on. I've got it on the AM band.
A very different way that
good sound.
Adults need to look at. Those
Plenty
are
of volume.
Words to mimic that and to listen to.
Jason Coolman is
now
the
we'll
principal
tune it.
at Valley View Elementary.
Hello. So it's the reception is. Let me turn this down. The reception is, on AM band initially, or to start with, is exceptional. FM band, also lots of music, so I'm not going to try that. Very good. AM and FM, great. Shortwave, you can forget shortwave. Let me show you shortwave. Okay, we go to shortwave band 1, and then we turn the volume back up. Turn the radio back on. Okay, here we go. Sounds like a motorboat. Really hard to tune. Muting while tuning. And let me see if I can hold it up close to the king. Watch the dial and the tuning knob. Okay, I don't know if you noticed it, maybe you didn't because I wasn't holding it very tight or very steady. I could turn the tuning knob about a quarter of a turn. It was changing frequencies, but the dial wasn't moving. And I tried for 15 minutes to lock onto a station. It was just impossible. So really, this is AM FM station. Does pretty good on those bands. And it comes with, like I said, a rechargeable battery. See if I can see. Oh, I was trying to turn it to see if I could see what the capacity is. Make sure I got it turned off. Can I get this? No, I can't get it out easy. I have to get a screwdriver and a pair of pliers to get it out. Anyway, I want to thank Thomas for sending me this radio. It was a lot of fun playing with it. And like I say, it works good on AM and FM. As you heard, the audio was fantastic. And for $16, not a bad radio. And if you got a lot of patience, you might be able to find something on shortwave. Let me just try for a second here, see if I can possibly get one station. We got to turn it on first. Okay, I'm going to tune really slow. Trying to get 5 megahertz. Nope. And now at that time it jumped. I'm turning it so it would go up, and it jumped back. I guess it got hung up there. Maybe after some use it'll be smoother. Oh, now I'm going down. I'm turning it this way, that way, and it's going down. That's confusing. It's trying to receive something. See if I can get a Spanish station nearby. Come on, find one.
Even though it was a small handful, but it definitely
there we go.
America's attention. When you start touching the American
There's a preacher man out of Tennessee, and it's very loud. Let me see if I can tune any better. Yeah. So look at that. If you're very patient, shortwave is usable, and I can't believe it's picking up that station strong. Turn the volume back up.
And demised. What did they do?
Gotta turn it really slow though. Nope. Oh, I'm turned the wrong direction again. Gee whiz. Let me see if I can get something at 9.33. No. Turn the volume up. Now, well, anyway, I was surprised. It was getting, I believe that's out of Nashville, Tennessee. I was getting that loud and clear. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this radio. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, I'd love your comments. I think I'm actually caught up with all the radios that people and companies that have sent me. How about that? Finally. Have a great day. Bye-bye.